everyone and welcome to another video. My name is Jade and I'm going to be talking to you about the experiences I have had within my degree, which is sports therapy. If you know anything about sports therapy, you'll know that it's kind of like exercise prescriptions, massage, a lot to do with the body and making your clients feel better when they have aches and pains in their joints or body parts. I'm about to go into my second year, which I'm really excited for, but I'm going to tell you a little bit about the first year of sports therapy. So in the first year, you learn a lot about the bones and where they are and the locations of the muscles and origins and insertions, just to get some form of knowledge of the body before you learn, how to fix it. It's kind of hard because you have to memorize a lot. We have 206 bones in the body that we have to remember. God, can you imagine if it's not 206 now? I feel like I should just Google that. Okay, I Googled it, it's definitely 206 bones. Woo! So you have to memorise where they are on the body. And we do that by looking at a skeleton, or sometimes we would do that by palpation, by actually feeling for that bone or for that muscle. And that was a lot of fun because that was a lot of practical, which we all really enjoy in class. Level 4, we also got a lot of experience in massage. So that's effleurage massage, petrissage massage, and tapotement massage. And we all had to pass that as well. So the massage module was really great for getting experience in customer service, but obviously also being able to treat our clients. Along with the massage, we learned how to do deep tissue release techniques and massage energy techniques. These techniques are to help the muscle to recover and go back to its original state, and to get rid of any adhesions, which is like knots, tears, muscle tightness, soreness and pain. And just as a personal one, I would say that sports therapy, the degree, has really brought out my confidence, has given me experience on how to be around people, gives you a ton of experience in anatomy, a ton of experience in palpation, a ton of experience learning medical terms, and yeah, I don't think there's much else that I can talk about, but I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you enjoyed the clips that I've included to kind of just show you what it looks like in class and what it might be like if you chose to do the same degree. Thank you for watching and see ya. Bye.